Everyone says you need developers to automate your workflows, but Apple just changed that. Their new AI shortcuts can do 80% of what used to require custom coding, and you can build it on your iPhone in minutes. Hey everyone, I'm Mohammed Yoli, founder of Digital Dev. Today we're diving into one of the most underrated features Apple just released at WWDC 2026, their AI-powered Shortcuts app. And here's what's wild. This isn't just another tech gimmick. This is genuinely game-changing for small business owners who spend hours on repetitive admin work every single week. In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Apple's new AI shortcuts to automate 80% of your manual workflows. No coding knowledge required. We'll build a real-world example together, capturing a receipt, extracting the data automatically, logging it to a spreadsheet, and sending a Slack alert, all in one seamless automation. By the end, you'll understand why this matters for your business and how to start using it today. Let's go. First, let's talk about the problem. According to a 2024 McKinsey report, knowledge workers spend approximately 30% of their workday on manual data entry and administrative tasks. That's roughly 12 hours per week of pure, repetitive work that could be automated. For a small business with 5 employees, that's 240 hours per year wasted on tasks that don't move the needle. Here's what I see every day at Digital Dev. Business owners losing money because their team is drowning in spreadsheets, receipt logging, form filling, and data transfers between apps. The painful part? Most of them don't automate because they think automation requires hiring a developer, which costs $50,000 to $150,000 per year or thousands upfront for a custom project. But here's the contradiction. Apple's new AI shortcuts just demolished that barrier to entry. You no longer need to choose between staying inefficient or hiring expensive talent. Let me break down exactly what Apple released. At WWDC 2026, Apple introduced AI-powered shortcuts that use on-device intelligence to understand natural language and build multi-step workflows automatically. TechCrunch reported that these new shortcuts can now 1. Understand complex requests in plain English. 2. Extract data from images, PDFs, and emails. 3. Connect to over 500 third-party apps natively. 4. Handle conditional logic. If this, then that. 5. Run on iPhone, iPad, and Mac seamlessly. The game changer is this. You're not dragging blocks around in a visual editor anymore. You literally describe what you want, and the AI builds the automation for you. It's the difference between assembling furniture with instructions versus having IKEA ship you a finished desk. Apple integrated their on-device AI engine directly into Shortcuts, which means your data stays private and the automation runs instantly without cloud delays. That's huge for businesses handling sensitive information. Let me show you how this actually works with a real scenario we use at Digital Dev for client onboarding. Imagine you're a consultant or freelancer. Every time you get a receipt, you need to 1. Extract the vendor, amount, and date. 2. Log it to a Google Sheet for expense tracking. 3. Alert your accountant on Slack. 4. Categorize it for taxes. Traditionally, that's 3 to 5 minutes per receipt, manually. If you process 10 receipts a week, that's 30 to 50 minutes gone. With the new AI shortcuts, here's what you do. Step 1. Open Shortcuts on your iPhone after you photograph the receipt. Step 2. You say, "Hey Siri, log my expense." Step 3. The AI recognizes the receipt, extracts vendor name, amount, and date using vision processing. Step 4. It automatically populates a Google Sheet row with that data. Step 5. It sends a formatted Slack message to your #expenses channel. Step 6. It files the image in your cloud storage. Total time, 20 seconds. No coding, no developer, no setup beyond initial configuration. The automation learns your preferences over time, so it gets smarter about categorization and formatting. According to Gartner, businesses that implement no-code automation report a 40% reduction in process cycle time. That's real money. Let's talk numbers. If you're a business owner with a team of 5 to 20 people, here's what this unlocks. Time saved. At 30 minutes per employee per week on manual tasks, that's 130 hours per year freed up. If you value your team at $50 per hour fully loaded, that's $6,500 of productivity reclaimed annually per employee. Scale that across your team, and you're looking at $32,500 plus in labor value recovered without hiring anyone new. Error reduction. Manual data entry has a 1 to 3% error rate according to industry studies. That means mistakes that ripple into accounting, customer records, or reporting. AI shortcuts have a 99.2% accuracy rate because they're consistent and don't get tired. Speed to market. You don't need to wait for a developer to finish a sprint. You can build an automation in 15 minutes and deploy it today. At mDigitalDev, we help businesses optimize this exact transition, moving from manual processes to AI-powered workflows. The clients who move fastest see results within days, not quarters. Here's the practical part. How do you actually start using this? Step 1. Update your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to the latest OS, iOS 18, macOS 15, or newer. Step 2. Open the Shortcuts app. You'll see a new Create with AI button. Step 3. Describe your workflow in plain English. Capture receipts, extract data, log to Google Sheets, send Slack notification. Step 4. The AI generates a workflow. You review it, make tweaks if needed, and hit save. Step 5. Automate the trigger. Set it to run when you photograph something, when you receive an email, or on a schedule. No code, no learning curve. Genuinely. For more complex workflows, like integrating custom databases, building multi-user automation, or scaling across your entire organization, that's where tools like Zapier, Make, or professional automation services like what we do at mDigitalDev come in. But for the first 80% of your use cases, Apple's Shortcuts handles it. Why is Apple releasing this now? Because the market is screaming for it. Forrester research found that 78% of businesses want to automate workflows, but only 32% actually do because of perceived complexity and cost. Apple's removing that excuse. This also reflects a massive shift in how software companies view automation. It's no longer a premium feature for enterprises. It's table stakes for consumer and SMB products. Microsoft has Copilot for automation. Google has Gemini for workspace automation. Now Apple has AI-native shortcuts. The businesses that adopt this early, the next 12 months, will have a significant efficiency edge over competitors still doing things manually. Here's my question for you. What's the most repetitive task you do every week that you'd automate if it took just 15 minutes to set up? Comment below. I read every comment and might feature your workflow as a case study. If you found this useful, subscribe to the channel because next week we're breaking down how to integrate AI shortcuts with Zapier for even more complex automation. Basically, the next level of what we covered today. Hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you don't miss it. And if you're running a business and want to explore how to systematically automate your entire operation, not just one workflow, but your whole process ecosystem, visit mdigitaldev.com. We help SMBs and scaling companies eliminate manual work with AI. Let's chat about what's possible for your business. Next week, we're breaking down how to connect Apple Shortcuts to Zapier. Unlimited automation without code. Hit subscribe and enable notifications so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.